It's April 15th. It's Todd, Ault, and Jason Bartholomew with Skyla.
Hello.
This is Risk On. This is the 52nd episode. 5-2, as they say. 52 episodes. Jason, there is a lot of people in the chat.
Oh, yeah?
Wow.
A lot today.
I see some new names, too. Devon Wright is there all the time. We appreciate you, my man. I hope you're getting your merch. Ravi, we're getting you merch. How do you say that? Okie Freeman?
Okie.
I'm excited. The recent investments in very undervalued companies. Looking forward to the update. Thanks. Wow. Nice. Stephen, is it Stefan or Stephen White? Stephen White,
Stephen.
tune in. Wiz Gill. I like these names.
Well, sorry.
Wiz Gill. Sure. I thought I saw others. It's a big crowd in No Sky Limit. What's up, Dream Team? Mark Low Dollar Bowl. Oh, Mark, he changed his, that was Mark Winters.
Yeah.
Withers, and now he's...
Jeff's here.
Jeff's here. Bombshell, the winner.
Standard.
Gonzaga lost, but he won. Well...
Lots to unpack today.
Yeah, today is a weird day. Jason, if you don't mind for a second, I'm going to cover the Dow because I'm trying to prove a point.
Yeah, go for it.
You got the Dow up 305 to 34,035.99. The NASDAQ top 14,000 held up at 180.9323. S&P up 45.76 to 4170.42. And then there's me. Yikes. Small caps, the 13D filing, Iconics down. POWW down. Torch down. DSS down. LTBR down. GWAC down. Discovery Networks down. QuantumScape. Hold on a second. QuantumScape. We went down the toilet on that thing.
The Scorpion bit us.
Yikes.
We'll get into that later.
And that is down $5 today.
We'll get into that later.
Yeah, we will get into that. But we made money on AUMN. Thank you, Jason. Hey,
that was solid.
that was good, right? AUMN. And we made money on the new purchase of PSLV. And my Credit Suisse was up today. A buddy of mine got me in CHRA. There's a new position. Full disclosure, we own all these stocks. Slammed bloodbath. It was very weird. I agree with you. Small caps destroyed like we're getting destroyed in baseball.
DraftKings has news right now. Everybody listening, DraftKings just named NFL sports betting partner. DraftKings just now. Breaking news. Okay,
Really?
yeah.
NFL sports betting partner.
Yeah, breaking news. Big green Hulk candle.
Right.
Yeah.
DraftKings breaking news hitting now, right?
Yep.
Let's see. SSY down. POW already said that. AZS down. CLBS down. NVOS down. KIQ up. Oh, yeah. Fractionally.
Yeah.
So CleanSpark down. NAC down. Box was down most of the day. Canon down. I already talked about QuantumScape. Riot is rallying off that low. Now, I'll tell you guys, I sold a little Riot this morning. Well, first of all, I got to give you credit. You had me cut back Riot yesterday. We had 13,000, cut it back to 10. Then I sold 2,000 pre-market at 51.
Yeah.
Then it went down to 43.29. This is overwhelming volatility.
It's crazy.
Crazy. Closes at 48.76. What's the problem there?
Money rotation into coin, but where else?
I want to read Robbie what he's saying.
Yeah.
Robbie says, seems like big players are moving money into large caps.
Yep.
That could be the reason small cap dump. I would agree with you. So here's the dilemma for all these people, all these investors, right? You got crypto, it's still 62,000. I mean, would you have ever complained that crypto was 62,000? You got Ethereum nearing 2,500, or is it at 2,500?
It's right there. It's close.
And then you got the stocks selling off like they're going out of business, which is exactly what I told you I was worried about.
Yep.
And then exactly what happens, and I'm still getting hit. By the way, we're transparent here, so we tell you when we make mistakes. And Jason, back me up on. Have I not been saying to you, let's get short the triple Qs? The market's going to roll over. These crypto stocks are too exciting. And then what happens? The Qs rally. We were short yesterday. We made money. We got short again this morning. We didn't get hit today, but we did short. I mean, I shorted the Dow and the Nasdaq all the way into the close.
I tell you,
I'm not unhappy with that.
no.
Coin looks like it closed down 3 today.
What's the volume? Hold on.
Oh, like off
I'm
the
just
chart.
curious. I mean, Bitcoin's rallying right now. I wouldn't mind piling in more into Riot right now.
Riot right now, I went from a loser to now it's almost up. It's $49 in the aftermarket.
I wouldn't mind piling more.
I got to be honest with you. I'm exhausted with these things. I'm just exhausted. I mean, they're exhausting.
63.5.
How do you not find these things exhausting? Yeah. I find them exhausting. They just trade bizarre.
If you can make money and be tired, that's fine.
Yeah.
The Bitcoin to Ethereum ratio has generally been 30 to 1. It's now 25.5 to 1. Ethereum is a hard gainer.
Yeah, it's making headway. You think it's because the NFTs?
That's part of it. I tell you what, the Ethereum miners right now, those who are mining farms, Ethereum, especially with the InnoSilicons, they're crushing it. They are scooping up all the coins. Good for them.
Yep. Devon Wright, I'm with you, by the way. Yeah, Kathy bought a lot of coin. I see that. Third said. SOS, that tanked. Someone mentioned.
I mean, here's the world we live in.
Someone mentioned Naked Brands.
Playboy's ripping, okay? DogeCoin is flying. There's where we're at.
Where's Dogecoin?
The doggy. 20 cents. Is this real life right now? Look at this. I can't even believe this. It's 19 and a half pennies.
Dude, I sold it.
Oh. I almost want to step away right now.
That's a $20,000. That's a $15,000.
Where's Crypto Joe? He needs to hear this.
Oh my God.
This is Dogecoin is 20 cents. Call it 20. It was fractional penny. This is crazy. What's Ripple at? What's Cardano at? I mean, we got the guy across the hall piling into Cardano. He's a happy camper. Here we are piling into we're piling into Riot. We're piling into these small caps, and we're just getting piled on. Wow.
Dogecoin.
God, I
sold
just
it.
can't even.
I sold it. I looked at it and said, I don't want to be in this piece of crap.
Oh. Wow.
Are you allowed to say that word, Josh?
Wall
I
Street.
think that one's acceptable.
I mean, I'm sure Wall Street Bets is just piling into Dogecoin. They have to be. Watch, you'll get another Elon tweet tonight. It'll go to 50 cents.
We can't talk about Naked.
No.
Sorry, buddy.
No.
We're not allowed to talk about that stock. Wow, I am not happy about Dogecoin. I sold it.
Oh, you just want to kick me when I'm down. The White Sox are losing too.
Yeah.
I mean,
Skyla, what's up with you?
Nothing much. Yeah, I'm just chilling over here.
What'd you do last night?
I ordered pizza from Heavenly Pies, and it was actually really good. They put like brie cheese on pizza, and I was very curious, but it was actually really good.
Brie on cheese?
Brie cheese
Brie-
on pizza, which I've never
Brie
had
cheese on
before.
pizza?
I think you would have liked the pizza. I have some more. I'm gonna go get it for lunch. It's at the house.
Wow.
did
Yeah.
you get some Heavenly Hash too? No.
Always.
Good.
What kind of question is that?
The aftermarket. Let's go to Nick. Let's go to the screen here.
Okay.
That's POWW.
You know, it broke $7 support briefly, but then buyers
It's
stepped in.
$6.95 in the aftermarket.
Is that where it is? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's probably some low volume people selling into the bid. Yeah, I would.
That's the 5-day. That's the 1 month. That's the 6 month. That's the year to date. What do you think? People don't need bullets anymore, right?
Nothing's changed about this story.
We just sold like 16,000 the other day at 783, which was like 1 day ago, right, or 2 days ago.
We did a swing trade of about 95 cents.
I bought some back today.
Yep.
I paid as little as $7 for this today.
Okay.
Nick, let's go to the next screen. AUMN. For full disclosure, right into the close, we sold all of our position between 71 and 72. Golden Minerals.
Dave's asking about naked. We can't talk about the naked.
Not allowed to,
will not
buddy.
be a. Yeah, will not be a topic. We could talk about NAK though. NAC. Just that's close.
Yeah, Golden Minerals. Can you go to that chart real quick? What happened to the metals today? Would they rally?
Yeah, I mean nothing's changed. We have 27
But they
trillion.
rallied. Why'd they rally today? Just
Inflation concerns finally catching up.
Yeah.
Silver's usually a lagging indicator, so if silver starts running, gold usually follows.
This is let's see the look at the 6 month. Yeah.
Yeah.
This thing ran to $1. Jeez.
$1.30, I think, pre.
Let's go to Riot. This is a riot, this thing. Did you like that, Skyla? Riot is a riot.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't get the pun, right?
I did. I got the
you got the
pun.
pun there. Can we go to the chart here? Riot hit 52.60 today. 52 and some change. Only to go all the way down to 43.73. And rallying back off that low. It's a 5-point difference. It's 48.75 in the aftermarket. Please explain to me why this is so crazy. This is just incredibly volatile. Incredibly volatile. I'm hearing that the new proxy for Bitcoin is coin.
No. Do you remember when Riot was 70 and Bitcoin was like 55 to 58?
I remember when Riot hit 80 and
Yeah.
Bitcoin was there.
Yeah.
And now QuantumScape, let's go to this chart,
Jeez.
down 12.24% today, $5. 36.50 in the aftermarket.
Let me give you some assessment on that.
Hold on a second here.
Go
This
ahead.
is a bad article, right?
Yeah, well, yeah, Scorpion. There's a video too. You can find it.
Can we go up here? Let's see. What are they saying here? QuantumScape falls after new short report from Scorpion Capital.
Right.
Pre-market.
It's like 1,000
Scorpion claims
pages.
the research indicated that the company has no difference than any other recently exposed SPAC promotion and EV frauds. Scorpion alleges that many of the claims the company has made, such fast charging as 80% or under 50 minutes, are false. QuantumScape also revealed the muddy waters. QuantumScape expects to have a response in the next few hours.
Wow. So
I see, this is you and I, how dumb I am sometimes. It rallied after the $100 million investment, right?
right.
From Volkswagen.
They had a second tranche too, 200 million. They met the criteria necessary for Volkswagen to invest the additional 200 million.
Right.
How did we miss EBET today? Esports Technologies debut.
I don't know.
It was up. It's only up
a little somber
500%.
today because we got really killed in QuantumScape, and I kind of like it. So, and so these guys are short. These guys are short Scorpion, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's interesting how you can write anything you want if you're a short reporter.
They were short before that. Yeah, of course they had puts. They had it all. And then they just dropped the bomb. They did it. I'll give them credit. They waited for 40 to be in question, and then they dropped the bomb, and 40 just got crushed, and then boom, 35. Yeah, they took out 40 quick. Going down. What's going on here? Oh. Yeah, base flyers talking knowledge here. Yeah.
Yeah, we can't talk about QuantumScape, and I'm not the CEO of DPW. I'm the executive chairman of Ault Global, and the symbol is DPW.
No, we can talk about QuantumScape. We can't talk about Naked.
Yeah, can't talk about Naked. Sorry.
EBET is going crazy. We missed it.
EBET?
Yeah, it's up 500%. No big deal.
Yeah. Let's pull it. What's the symbol?
EBET. EBET. EBET.
EBET.
EBET.
EBET.
Esports Technologies.
Oh.
Wow. It's up after hours, too. I mean, it's just flying. You know, the float's only 20 million. Or, I'm sorry, the float's 2 million. The float's 2 million.
Why is it up?
It IPO'd.
When did it IPO?
Today.
Today?
Yep.
Huh.
$6.
When public is 6?
Yep.
And it's 45 in the aftermarket.
No big deal. Standard 7.5x. Here we are.
Can we pull the screen up real quick? This Esports Technologies goes public.
2 million float.
EBET.
EBET.
It's up 507% in the regular market, and it's up an additional 21% in the aftermarket.
Why did it only trade 5 million shares today? Wow.
Wow, that's
Wow.
it's a crazy stock.
Wow. Wow.
Yikes.
Wow. Whew. So I'm just watching that. I'm watching that as it goes to 50, in my opinion.
Yeah, I'm not playing that.
No, we missed it.
Yeah. No chance. Well, I am a little somber. I'm a little bit bummed about the disconnect in the market. Really, Josh, I wish we could talk to some of our audience members. It would be fun, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be cool if we could, like, ask them to come in on a call or something? Can you pull up the chat for me, my man? I want to see in this next segment. Hey, guys, it's Todd Ault and Jason Bartholomew with Skyla. 11:50 a.m. Los Angeles and Orange County. On the weekends, we're on the Patriot Network every Sunday at 1 p.m. You can also find us on the iHeartRadio app on the Patriot Network at 1 p.m. Interesting times here. Hey, we did Risk on Sports this morning at 12 o'clock, and we picked the White Sox to win.
Getting wrecked.
What's the score with the White Sox?
Let's
game right
look.
now?
Let's see the score. 3-1 Cleveland. We bet 100 to win 135.
Yeah, we're not on the greatest streak today. Sometimes,
Jeez.
got to keep playing. Yeah.
Hey, this is full. This is transparency. Everything.
What's Base Flyer? Do we know who this guy is, Base Flyer?
Yeah, he's been on here quite a few
Well,
times.
you can order an IFBD, IPO, low float, AI play. Interesting. Can I get a wink if you're like the stock? What stock? Are you talking about naked?
Yeah, I think so.
I can't talk about naked.
Can't even wink about
I
it.
can't even wink about it.
Hey, that
They
made me
got a lot of
laugh.
cash, though, those naked. So those guys have raised a ton of cash. Wonder what they're going to do with it. They got a ton of cash.
Everybody, who knows what Naked does? They're in there like swimwear, right?
They make their like Victoria's Secret stuff, too.
Yeah.
Just all that stuff that Skyla would wear.
Yeah.
As soon as I say Skyla and wearing anything, it seems like you're only 1 second away from something inappropriate. So we'll stay away from that, right, Skyla?
That looks inappropriate.
Sure.
What's that?
PHX Minerals.
Why would
What
that
happened?
be inappropriate?
Oil and natural gas. They
I
just
don't
did
know
an,
because
No, that.
Oh,
The stock.
the stock.
they just did an offering. That's why.
All right. Skyla, what was the name of that company that you get stuff for like $8 and it looks good?
ZAPL.
Oh wait,
ZAPL.
spell that again.
We need to say this
ZAFUL.
segment from Skyla brought to you by ZAPL.
ZAPL.
Yeah, I don't think we have a lot of female viewers, Skyla. What's up with your hair? It seems like a lot longer now.
I know. I don't know.
Like suddenly, like did you get extensions or something?
No, just in the last couple days, I was like, wow, my hair looks really long. I don't know.
Wow, it's
ZAPL.
really long.
I like
What happened?
ZAPL. That's
Right on.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna check it out.
Stocks may be down, but it's really about friendships we made along the way.
Who said
Hell,
that?
it's up with Roland.
With a big old heart.
Roland, what is wrong with you?
Roland, buy the dip.
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, so you know
The
why?
investor, I bet investors hire a short seller to write a report. Someone says, Anastasia Ault. You know who that is? That's my mom.
There's
Oh.
quite a few people on here, too, that said they're already logged into the conference for later. Like,
Oh yeah,
Yeah, there's,
today
like,
is
3
earnings
people.
day for the whole year for Alt Global. I happen to know that company since I founded it.
Yeah, you know a little bit
I
about
know a
that
little
one.
bit about that.
Hey, you
Mom.
wanna?
Hey, mom.
Wow, look at that.
What's that?
So remember NTN Buzz Time?
Yeah,
So now it's BTX.
yeah, but it a reverse, right?
Yeah, but they just released news. They just acquired a license for mRNA technology. It's ripping.
How high?
It's 702. It's up
Yeah.
15%.
So it's 350 split adjusted,
right,
whatever.
right. So it's trying to get back
Everyone
to whole.
knows I'm we've all logged in and are waiting.
Wow, that's
Adrian Hanna
yeah,
says.
no, there's a lot of people that
Wow.
have said
Yo,
that
Adrian.
on here.
I was so pissed I did not add and dropped it 286. Yeah, guys, I can't talk about DPW. This is a train wreck. I'm not allowed to do it.
You're,
right?
Stop
you're not talking
asking.
about it.
No, you can't stop them from asking.
No,
it's all right.
Yeah.
But the same people ask, and it's like,
Hey,
You can't blame them,
Why
though.
do you blame them?
You can't blame them.
They want to
Can't
get an
talk
edge.
about it.
Or,
I mean, look at EBET if you want to look at something fun. Look at EBET's flying.
is it flying?
Yeah.
What are we going to do with Torch, man?
We're getting torched. They came out today and said just 2 more weeks, shareholders. 2 more weeks until we get the
It's
assessment.
down even further after that.
Of course, shorts are going to pile more. They know they have 2 weeks to short it more. Very frustrating.
Right, for sure.
So the CEO is on here. He's on Twitter, and he's getting torched.
Base flyer. Rule number 1, DPW Club. Don't talk about DPW Club. Just Fight Club. This guy's great. I got to tell you one thing for sure. We sure have a fun audience. They're really amazing.
Mm-hmm.
They're keeping me in good spirits.
That part's really got me in a good mood. We have a lot of people.
Yeah.
I mean, I hope we're getting all these people merch. I'm going to be bummed if we're not.
They deserve it for sure.
For sure. These guys deserve merch.
We're working on it.
Are we? Mm-hmm. Can we make sure they get it all? Hey guys, on your screen, well, I know you see the lovely Skyla. The number is 949-799-1831. 949-799-1831, and type in MERCH, merch. You'll be in my community, and then we're going to send you merch. We'll have you all the instructions. We're getting sophisticated, advanced technology like Gary B has, where we have a text network, right?
Yeah, we'll be risk on.
949-799-1831 to get some merch. So type in MERCH.
Yes.
Merch.
Okay, here's the CEO of Meta Material.
That's Somber.
Torch is going to merge. Actually, it's going to be a reverse takeover.
Right.
Meta Material is taking over TRCH. TRCH is getting out of the oil and gas industry. They're selling off all of their assets, and they're going to...
in the meantime, we're losing money.
Yeah, they're going to provide a special divvy.
Right.
But yeah, he's getting inundated with questions here.
Is he?
So, yeah, he's getting piled.
Is he live?
6 minutes ago, he answered.
Right. What did he say?
George Palakaris. He's
for those who don't know, for full disclosure, we're long 210,000 TRCH, and we're down 50 cents.
I just
so
read
you gotta
that
feel good about that.
News released by Torch. It sounds as though requirement of notice of special meeting has been changed to April 30th, but requirement to hold special meeting by 5/10 remains the same. Is this correct? And they put correct. I appreciate it. Somebody said a couple of not so nice words. Yeah, so you can... Here's a trick for Twitter if you didn't know. You put in the $ and then the indicator or the ticker that you want to do research on Twitter. So $TRCH, and lo and behold, you go to the latest instead of the top, and that'll get you all the information.
So what do you think of the pullback in POWW? Because we're waiting for the gunbroker.com deal. I think it's had a run, but it's not. I'm just a little disappointed in that pullback. It was bigger than I thought.
Yeah, we got a lot of room, though. The volume was super low again.
Was it?
The
Down
lowest
on
it's
low
been.
volume?
Longs aren't selling.
Am I overreacting?
Yes. On that one, you are.
Let's go back to that chart again.
Yeah, you're over. That one's... I mean, if I had to guess, POW was probably under 2 million shares today. Let me look.
What's the volume today?
1.85 million.
Right.
So just the average volume...
It's back up to 705 in the aftermarket.
3.28 million volume average 30
Right.
days. So yeah,
it's probably healthy to pull back then, I guess. I could argue that.
7's the new floor.
Smith & Wesson was down to 1821. Vista Outdoors 3239.
It's higher
lack?
lows.
I want to talk about what the people in the audience want to talk about. So let's, Josh, pull some stock tickers up. Robbie, anybody out there, send me your tickers. I'm going to comment
There
on
she
if I
is.
know anything about it.
2,500 Ethereum.
Ethereum is 2500.
Just broke it. 25 print
I
Ethereum.
can't even. The Dodge is making me crazy. Everyone's typing in naked. Come on, dude. You guys, it's. I just came here to listen about naked. Naked. Yes, I'm still on POWW. You have a naked army here. Oh, God. That is
You built it.
Yeah, if you build it, they will come. Love naked. Everyone's naked here. GameStop. Oh, this is great.
One person said ETH. Do you know what that
That's
is?
Ethereum.
Oh.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it's the only other one.
Yeah, we're long Ethereum. Well, we like Ethereum here.
Yeah.
Hold on. So what do I do here? Let's see.
What are we trying to look at?
Well, I want to look at GME.
Oh, GME. That's a fun one.
Down 6. So I'll give you my assessment of this deal. I'll show you from year to date. I just think it's dead money. I think that if you're a trader, you could be nimble. It's full on gambling. I understand what Ryan Cohen's doing, trying to change the management there and look for a CEO. And he's renovating basically the business. He's effectively turning it over, and he's going to try to make it a play. And he has a big audience, right?
Yep.
He's got a lot of install base, thousands of stores, and they're going to come up with a concept. I get what they're doing, but the juice of this thing is, if you're trading, fine, but most of the juice has been squeezed. To me, I don't see. Like, could it go to 250? Sure. Could it go to 100? Sure. Could it go to 50? Sure. To me, I wouldn't risk any money here. We've written some calls against it. We covered all those.
What is the CEO forfeited 580,000 shares for not meeting targets? Wow. You saw that in Reuters?
Ouch. It's pretty painful.
Hey, I will tell you something for a short-term catalyst for GameStop on the long side, possibly. I haven't seen a PR yet saying that they have finished the ATM, and they're probably close to finishing the ATM. So I would say be on the lookout for that.
Hold on. Write these symbols down.
Go ahead.
TNXP and HCMC.
TNXP I've heard of.
Yeah. Someone said they like me. Thank you. I only have my wife and my mom that like me. Everyone else doesn't. I appreciate that. What is it?
Tonics, TNXP.
Oh, wait. So
Pharmaceutical.
Yeah, they've been raising money. I guess the concept with Tonics is they've been raising capital with AGP for years. Like, they probably have went back to the well a few times. So the question with Tonics is, are they done raising capital? Roland says he likes me too. Are they done raising capital? And then will there be any movement on their drug to get this going? And what I've not pull up the 1-day chart, please, for me, Nick. So I have not looked at this chart Tonics in a while. So everybody who's following Tonics, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna put in the 1-year chart. Well, that's better than I thought. We'll take a look at this. I know the banker for Tonics really well. In fact, he's done a deal for me. I will talk to him and see what's up with the company and report back tomorrow. Can you do me a favor? Or, you know what? I apologize. Either tomorrow or Monday. It may not be tomorrow. Can you write down Tonics for sure?
Tonics needs to hold the 200-day moving average of 93. Tonics also needs to come out. It looks like they've got a couple of candidates for it looks like they have a PTSD stress disorder drug, and they've got another TNX-102, a sublingual tablet, and that's something that they need to update on. It looks like...
But if you look at the 5-year... Well, here's the problem, okay? I mean, they've got a lot of new developments. They financed a lot. They're up 29 cents from their low. They're on the NASDAQ, so they got to keep that dollar bid.
Yep, that was the next thing I was going to say.
I'd always be nervous about that, but... definitely write down NVIV for me, please.
Also ARDX.
ARDX?
ARDX.
ARDX.
TNXP, keep this in mind now. Let me give you an example. Like Novavax, they were bashing NVAX for the longest time, and now it's a $200 stock.
Wow, look at the 1 day on this thing. What is this?
Oh, wow.
How do you even pronounce that?
ARDX? ARDX. Let's take a look at this.
Wow.
Okay.
Holy Toledo. 5 day, it's off the 5 day.
All right,
Off the 1 month.
The daily RSI is obviously heated.
Wow. That's a breakout.
Yeah.
Wow. Up 51% in 6 months.
What's their story?
Something positive for sure. The chart looks wonderful.
They do.
Oh my God!
They got GI drugs, gastrointestinal.
You got to feel good about that. Someone knows something here. Look at that chart. Okay. So let me tell you, in my experience of doing this for 32 years, I used to work with a guy named David Ryan. If you look up David Ryan, one of the best chartists around, he worked for William O'Neill at Investors Business Daily, and the chart really always tells the story longer term, right? You always know that there's so many people comment. I can't keep up with them right now. The chart tells the story. This chart tells me this is in play for sure, right? I mean, You would agree, right? Can we look at this chart again one more time? So, Jason, looking at technical analysis, and that's all we can do because we don't know the name. You'd be long, right?
Yeah, well, it's a biotech, so it's tricky.
Yeah. So, but something's up. You would agree?
Yeah, for
right?
sure.
I mean, this is a longer-term chart.
Yeah.
And this broke up. So basically, you own this stock. There's kind of nothing in the way. It's all free territory. And if you guys follow the funny part about the market now and all the traders today, probably don't know Louis Dreyfus, right? Dreyfus funds. Understand that in order for a stock to make a new high, it has to make a new high. That's very logical, right? But if a stock makes a new high, almost nobody, when it's breaking out, nobody owns it at a loss. Psychologically, it's the best thing ever. So these are the best stocks to buy. There's a cup with a handle. Read How to Make Money in Stocks with William O'Neill. I have made so much money because of William O'Neill and Investors Business Daily. But you got to have that discipline to be able to trade that way. It's tough to buy these breakouts to new highs. But he talks about Home Depot, Pick and Save, all the big winners he's owned that made newer highs and newer highs and newer highs and newer highs because of that can slim method, current earnings, aggressive. So something's up here. They got a new product. They probably don't have any earnings, but I like that. I like the chart. Now, this is for entertainment purposes. I don't own this name for full disclosure, but ARDX looks like it's breaking out. Devon Wright says he's long. Well, you're doing well, buddy.
Yeah.
You're doing well, buddy. What else we got?
Got more tickers?
ATVI, BKTI.
You wrote these down, though. What else was there? There was another one. HCMC, right?
Yep.
HCMC? HCMC. Oh, yeah. You guys, come on.
What this barcode?
No, because it's OTC
Oh, it's
stock.
pink sheet.
We don't follow OTC stocks. Move on. You got me. What's the other one? What's the other symbols?
BKTI.
BKTI. BK Technologies. Did we trade this name?
No.
We traded this name before?
I don't
BK
think so.
Technologies? There's the one day. Is there any volume to this, Jason?
BK.
Technologies.
Let me see.
I think we looked at this before. Yeah, look at the 1 year. Wow.
I got a couple more queued up here. Let's take a look.
The 5 year.
650.
Well, that is a multiple year breakout if you can get above 6.
59 million market cap, 11 million flow, no volume.
What is
Average volume, 3-month average volume, 40,000 shares. There's just not, it's not liquid.
I want to look at this. This is my cup of tea.
Yeah, it is.
Let's go. Let's write it down.
All right.
BKTI. We'll look at BKTI.
Actually,
for
it is
sure.
your cup of tea. Oh, what do they do?
Have you looked at TELL?
Neo. Come on, man. What value am I going to add you on Neo? Guys, I'm a small cap value guy.
Two-way radio communications equipment, BKTI.
Neo.
The company designs, manufactures, and markets wireless communications. Are we looking at Chinese Neo?
Yeah. What value can I add here?
I mean, this is the Chinese Tesla, allegedly.
Yeah. You know, the Tesla bought some equipment from them.
Yeah.
Did you ever read that article?
I didn't.
They bought some equipment from them when they were having hard times. Year to date, it's down $17 or 33%.
Right.
This was a high flyer at one
Oh,
point.
big
right?
time.
You know what you got to do with these things? Can you pull up the chart for Neo real quick? I think you just got to basically wait for EV to get hot again, and then you keep a. Jason, talk to them what you do. You have a basket. You know, what do you put up a basket of stocks in your little baskets. You kind of talk to them about how you focus, because as soon as I give you a name, you go, oh, there's ever 7 other names that you can play the same way. I mean, you do it immediately. I mean, right away, like within like a minute or two. What the heck is going on with the chart? What's up with the comments?
I don't know. Why are we getting?
What the heck is going on here?
You know what happened?
I can't talk about naked brands.
They're all here.
I can't
Dude,
talk about
naked armies
brands.
here. What is
Jesus
going
Christ.
on here?
Yeah, I know. We filed the 13G. I can't talk about it. I can't. You guys, I can't do it. I love you all. You're fine. Thank you. I'm not allowed to do it. The guy says there's a naked army here.
I see it.
You guys are killing me.
Jeez.
Wow. Welcome the naked
Hey,
army. I
thanks
love
for-
you too.
Thanks for coming out.
Okay, you're all welcome. Thank you for being here.
Give it to him.
Talk about how you do this though, because when I give you a name, you know right away that you know all the players in that name. How do you do it?
So I just set up sectors within my I even set it up on my phone on Webull. like green energy technology, traditional energy, metals, crypto. And then I look for correlating plays that could be sympathy plays. So one of the methodologies and one thing that you try that I've learned over the years is to not chase these FOMO stocks, fear of missing out, but there's always a sympathy play or a lagging play. For example, like right now, Riot up in the after hours, right?
Yeah.
So
check it out.
So you could, I'm not recommending this, but you could look at SOS or EBON or Canon or Lion Group, LGHL. Those are the 4 off the top of my head that are lagging big time. And you could look for an entry into those. Those are beaten down. Same thing with green tech. I looked at Sun W today. I alerted it at like 1040. I think it went to 1075. So a lot of these green techs are beaten down. SOL, obviously QuantumScape, Watt, Fuel Cell, Plug, iSun. These are all in my green energy tech portfolio here. OPTT. I do not own them right now, but I'm tracking them all. So yeah, it's a good way to set it up. I have a cannabis sector. Skyla's interested in that.
Always.
You got Hexo, CLVR, Tilray, Sundial with $1 billion float that doesn't move. Sundial's in trouble, just my personal opinion. So that's how we do it.
Why are they in trouble?
Dude, they just bloated their outstanding shares too much.
Can you pull up
Ravi. Yeah.
PHUN.
BKTI
That's the
is
one.
going to be a riot play.
Yeah, two-way
Since
communications.
radios are used.
Okay, let me get into this. I'm pretty.
I know, but write down this. Dave K is PHUN.
Oh, we know that ticker.
We played that before.
No, but I'm very familiar with it. Back to Dave. We'll get into that in just a second. Ravi, BKTI. Another one is like DGLY. That's all the law enforcement stuff. As far as bulletproof vests, stuff like that. But what Ravi's talking about is, so on your phone you can get like the 5.0 police scanner. You can track all the stuff from the police that are communicating. So I think what Ravi's saying is the two-way communication devices the law enforcement might start using, so they can't be tracked as much. During the Las Vegas shooting, they had to go underground with communications. Same thing with the Boston bombers with the Sinaroff brothers. Remember, they couldn't find those kids. They finally found one of them in a boat with like blood all over the boat.
That was crazy.
They had to go underground with their communication because there's like a lot of information being talked about on those comms, and it could affect the investigation or the chase or what have you. So I think it's like, I'll tell you in just a second.
BKTI, who gave us that originally? Did you write that down? Because it wasn't Robbie that gave it to us originally.
Hey, it's 59 million.
Oh, really? Who gave it to us originally?
12 million outstanding shares. Scroll up. Let's look.
59 million
Yeah.
is the market cap?
Yeah, 12.5 million outstanding, 11 million float.
Well, interesting name. This is the long-term chart on this is, how far does this go back?
52-week high is
reverse
550.
here. The 5-year. This thing was this price 5 years ago.
It was 1170.
Yeah, we'll have to put that on the radar.
I don't think they've done a reverse. I'm looking right now. Wow, is this real? Hey, they have a divvy.
So obviously someone has.
They have a dividend.
Okay.
We're gonna
I
look
can
at it.
see that what's going on here. Somebody has mentioned that we filed a 13G on Naked Brands.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Listen, I've been doing this a long time, 32 years, and I will get myself hung for saying anything about Naked Brands because obviously we did a transaction. So all I can say is they've accumulated a lot of cash. I think their balance sheet has an enormous amount of money on it. I want to say 200 million. I don't think they have any debt. And I know they're working on stuff. I can't say anything. Anyways, I'm sorry, guys. I really do. I'm thrilled that you're here, and thank you so much for being here. Obviously, I'm an activist investor, but I filed a 13G, which is a passive investment. I didn't file a 13D, which is an attempt to influence management. I filed a 13G. So I'm a passive investor in Naked, and I really can't say anything more about that. But we're super grateful that you're here, and if I know something or I'm allowed to say something, I definitely will. So stay tuned, and You know, they're doing stuff down there in Australia. That's an Australian company.
EBET EBET was IPO today. Remember I said it would go to 50. It's 48. It's on track.
Yeah, but we're not endorsing EBET,
No.
by the way. Come on,
We're just
that's,
watching
a
it.
little crazy.
DraftKings is going up.
Don't ask about naked. Just go buy more naked, the guy says. Yeah, I didn't say that.
Yeah.
That thing trades. Isn't it down to like 52 cents or something right now?
Yeah. We wanted to talk about PHUN. Somebody
Yeah,
mentioned
PHUN.
it.
Let's pull that up.
Fun.
By the way, this thing says this thing is running out of juice, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
PHUN.
Funware
Funware?
is
What is
actually, they have a multi-screen service platform. The company offers a range of platforms, mobile engagement, location-based services, content management, and analytics and business intelligence.
Well, the 5 days terrible. The 1 month's bad. Oh,
You know,
the
this
6
is
months
this is a trader's ticker. Even though the float's 59 million,
right.
I've seen this thing
What do
mentioned.
they do?
They're just they just work in the technology communications industry.
Yeah, I don't have any edge in Funware. I can't really help you there. I
They
don't know
offer
what do.
solutions for like marketing automations, mapping, navigation, you know, location
any money?
services. I don't think so. Let's see. That's a good question.
Hey, guys, if you want some merch, 949-799-1831,
No, they don't make-
949-799-1831, and we will send you some merch. Type in MERCH.
No, they don't make any money.
No.
They lost 22 million last year.
Disclaimer, we are not recommending you follow us. What? No. Okay, I hear what you're saying. This is a show for entertainment purposes.
Correct.
We actually are very transparent about what we own. We file either 13Bs or 13Gs, or we tell you on the show what we own. Things like Boeing were long, Icon Enterprises, IEAP were long. Everyone knows if they watch the show, this is episode 52, we own POWW, right, Skyla?
Yeah.
Skyla, can you tell the audience what POWW does?
It's an ammunition stock.
An ammunition stock. They make ammo?
Yeah, they do.
Have you ever owned any stocks, Skyla?
No.
You sure?
No, I think I did, but I don't recall what they were.
You don't recall?
Yeah.
you
I
gonna
had
own
somebody
stocks
else
now?
invest them
Oh, you
for
did?
me. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
I remember that.
Yeah.
That's right. But you're going to own some stocks now, right?
Yes, I would like to. I want to get more into it.
Right on.
Yeah.
What else you want to cover? We only got 13 minutes left.
Someone brought up another one, TOMZ. Ravi brought that one up.
TOMZ. TOMZ. Yeah. I want to, this Ravi guy, he's been a very loyal follower. I like this guy. TOMZ.
ATVI
Tommy, where do you find these things? Look at this thing. The 1 day, it was down 25 cents today, 6.4%. All these small caps were down. 5 days down too. Ouch. 1 month down.
Oh, wow.
Ow. Ow.
Jeez.
What happened to this one, Robbie? What happened, Robbie? Yikes. You know this one?
No. I'm glad I don't.
Yeah, Robbie, this doesn't look good, man. And I don't to be Captain Obvious with you, but obviously we like charts that are moving in a nice direction. Now, see, if you think about philosophy, I buy stocks when they're down if they're undervalued. I buy stocks that I can take an activist position in, or I trade volatility, and or I have long-term. So I have a long-term investment in Boeing, one in Icon Enterprises. This would I would have to figure out what my angle would be. So this is not a volatility trade for you, would it? You wouldn't trade that name, would you?
Not here.
That's a 6 month, right? What about the 1 day?
I'd have to look at it.
Robbie, you probably know about it more than we do.
He said he's an investor, so he does a lot of research on
Oh,
stocks.
does he?
Yeah.
Huh. Nice. There's a lot of people on here because of Naked. I'm not going to joke around here. I'm looking at the chat section, and wow.
What happened?
I guess Naked's popular. NAKD is popular.
Is that a meme stock?
I don't know, man.
Is it? Somebody let me know.
Hey, Jason, what are we doing tomorrow? We got earnings today for the end of the year for the company that I happen to be executive chairman on. That's going to happen shortly.
Correct.
Then we have a conference call that I'm doing at 3 o'clock on that topic.
Right.
We're waiting on gunbroker.com.
What's Riot doing right now?
Riot is down a little bit from that high. It's back down to 47.97, 47.80. What happened with QuantumScape? Did they respond at all?
No, but they were supposed. I bet they. Okay, here's my thoughts on QuantumScape.
Okay, let's go.
Tomorrow, I think they release a press release refuting or responding.
Oh, sorry about that. That's them firing back.
So I think there's the dogs.
Oh, you know what? I think we're going to start using that as this thing's a dog or something.
Right.
Or wake up! Let's go. What do we got? What do you want to talk about? The last segment.
QuantumScape,
here?
we can possibly get a bounce.
Right.
That's what I'm thinking.
You think you bounce on QuantumScape?
Yeah. I wouldn't recommend it, but
yeah, but we're not telling you to trade QuantumScape. But
Right.
We think there'll be a bounce. We think Scorpion's wrong. A lot of smart people involved with it. However, we heard that about Theranos.
Yes.
A lot of smart people were involved with Elizabeth, and she smoked them for billions.
correct. And also, wait, Volkswagen had a situation a while back with the.
Yeah, that's
Hey, listen.
bullshit.
How is it?
So,
Oops.
that's okay. Listen, the Volkswagen issue.
Tell me.
They did something bad with catalytic converters or whatever they did. I understand that, right?
Okay.
They faked the diesel emissions thing. I got that.
Okay.
Them making a new investment. This is new management. I'm not. You're gonna paint them with that brush forever?
No, I'm not. But I'm just
No,
saying,
I'm sorry.
stuff happens.
I can't shut you down like that.
Stuff happens.
What happened with Volkswagen? Tell the audience what you know about Volkswagen.
No, that's what happened. I mean, but now Volkswagen owns 20% of QuantumScape,
Right.
and everybody says, "Hey, that's their right. That's their falling back argument." Oh well,
Volkswagen did
owns
something
20.
before.
No,
So there must be a problem.
No. Volkswagen adds credibility to QuantumScape. Hey,
Oh.
listen, Volkswagen's not stupid. They're the second largest automaker. They own 20% of QuantumScape. They obviously know more than Scorpion. That's the argument.
Sure.
That's what I'm seeing.
All right. It's a dogfight for that. It's a dogfight, right?
Yeah.
I bet it's okay. What else are we gonna cover?
I wanted to talk about the numbers that we remember yesterday. I talked about the website that you could go to track the daily and weekly macroeconomic data.
Sure. What
Today
was
was
Let's give him it again. Can we give it to him again real quick?
yeah. I'm not being sponsored. We're not getting any money from econoday.com. ECONODAY.com.
Robbie gave us some more tickers. Go ahead. Continue. Sorry.
So jobless claims came out. The consensus was 695,000 new jobless claims would be filed. That wasn't the case. Only 576,000 new jobless claims were filed.
Right.
So the markets roared. The Philly Fed index for manufacturing, the number was supposed to be coming in at 43. It was 50.2. The markets roared. Retail sales, the number was supposed to be 5.6, the consensus. It came in at 9.8. The markets roared. You catching my theme here?
Uh-huh.
So everything crushed today. So that's why we had what we had. Tomorrow we're going to have...
You got a rally in big blue chips and those, like, the 5 names inside the NASDAQ 100.
Right.
Hey, real quickly, Nick, can we go to the chart real quick? Everyone who was not watching yesterday, we're long Sprout. We got in at 911. Sprout was up nicely today. This is a good trade. Nice, Jason.
Yeah, that was good.
We're still long, 40,000 shares of Sprout. Jason, tell people why you like silver.
Silver I like because it's a hedge against inflation. It's real money. It's fungible. It's been around for thousands of years.
And this Sprout fund is 3-to-1 silver. They buy the hard silver at the COMEX.
Right.
This is a direct play in silver. You can do it without owning the metal, right?
Yeah, Eric
It's not
Sprott.
leveraged. It's not decaying.
Right.
Right.
It's Eric Sprott, his fund. It's over $1 billion in silver. He takes the actual investments into the shares and he converts it literally to hard assets, to physical silver from the COMEX. He buys it. You can find him on Twitter. He posts pictures of the vault. It's Eric Sprott, and so you can do some research on that. I'm not recommending it, but it's different than SLV. SLV's paper. Sprott PSLV is metal. They literally buy the metal.
So we're along the metal fund. We're not telling you to buy it. This is a show for entertainment purposes, but we do tell you what we buy. We bought 40,000 shares of that yesterday, and we are long this. For full disclosure, AUMN, I already said this, we sold that into the close.
Yeah, but we'll look for reentry.
You're a little frustrated with them, right? They're not calling you back.
Yeah.
You know, if you're a company that doesn't call people back,
I want to get into some
Not good news.
Are we
Not
done
good
with
news there.
stocks and stuff like that?
yeah, let's go. You got 6 minutes left.
All right, today's the fake tax day. They gave us an extension until May 17th. Everybody knows that. If they don't, I'm telling you now. Here's one I want to get into. Pfizer, they came out, the CEO said that people could likely need a third dose within 12 months.
What?
Yes. So is this? Remember Goldman Sachs? I'm going to get into this real quick. Goldman Sachs said the business model.
Never heard of them.
Okay. Well, they said curing people is not a sustainable business model. Okay. So my thoughts on this COVID stuff here. Another dose in 12 months. Like, I thought this was a vaccination. Is this ongoing? Like, what's the story here? Are we going to keep having to get jabs every 6 months?
I think Moderna's saying the same thing.
Okay. So I just wanted to bring that up. I don't really want to get into your thoughts and beliefs. Whatever you guys do, that's what you do. Whatever I do, that's what I do. But I'm just reporting the news.
Sounds like an experiment.
Yeah.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
I don't know. Could it be money making? Sure, but I don't want to get into it. But listen, James O'Keefe, Project Veritas, the guy's a beast. He literally caught CNN in massive lies.
Allegedly.
No, I have the video.
I still allegedly.
Okay, whatever. Allegedly.
It's a professional show. We allege this. But
Allegedly.
But tell us what happened with James O'Keefe.
They didn't like him, so they took their ball and went home, and they permanently banned him on Twitter. And now he's suing them for defamation. This is going to get interesting.
Right.
Section 230 will come into play. Robert Barnes from Barnes Law, @Barnes_law. James O'Keefe to sue Twitter for defamation when they falsely accused him of operating fake accounts.
Hey, last 5 minutes. Thank you for the Naked Army. I see you're on there. I did not comment on what we're doing with Naked. I am not in management of Naked. I have nothing to do with Naked other than I bought some stock. Appreciate you guys following us. Appreciate you being here today. Thank you for the Naked Army for signing on. I'm sorry I couldn't give you any comments. Those of you who shared tickers with us, wonderful. Don't forget to go to our merch and put in the merch at that text number. We'll send you some merch. Actually, there's some great risk on merch, right, Skyla?
Yeah.
I mean, it's really cool, exciting stuff. Hey, thanks to Randy today for Risk on Sports. We're going to be in Indiana at the Indy 500. Those of you who are in Indiana will be at the 500. Check it out. 949-799-1831. Send us MERCH, and we will send you merch. Skyla and Josh on top of that. Thanks to Skyla for being here today and every day now. She started on the 20th. We're excited she's here. Josh is always on, too. There he is. I don't know if we can put Josh on. Soon he'll be joining us, too. Jason, appreciate today.
It was good.
Weird day today. Hopefully, go White Sox today.
We're losing that bet.
What inning is it?
It's the 8th. We're going to lose that one. Small bet.
Yeah, that's
we can't win.
We are not winning.
We're in a bad streak.
We're on a bad streak. Hey, but when you are in a bad streak, and when you're in a bad streak and it's not looking well, you just go to Skyla.
420 blaze, just blaze.
Just blaze.
Hey, go to 420. Just go blaze out. Right?
Oh, did you know this 420 falls on Taco Tuesday?
Oh, wow.
Wait, Skyla, breaking news. What?
This 420 falls on Taco Tuesday.
This 420
Is on a
Wow.
Tuesday. Taco Tuesday,
Hey,
420.
let's see if we can do something.
We have
in
to.
Nevada. Hey, you guys, we broadcast from Las Vegas. I recently moved after 45 years of being in California. We appreciate you guys. Check us out on iHeartRadio every Sunday on the Patriot Network at 1 p.m. 11:50 a.m. Los Angeles and Orange County if you're in L.A. or Orange County. Yeah, I know I just moved out of there, right?
Hey, if you guys want
Isn't
some
that funny? You go on the radio, then you move away.
If you want some free money tonight, I'm taking the Nationals. Patrick Corbin from Syracuse, New York. If you guys want to go the other way and bet the Diamondbacks, you'll probably make the money. So fade Jason. It's fade Jason.
Jason
week.
has been losing at sports the last couple days, but guys, don't count him out because he keeps firing. Jason's a former professional baseball player, and I can assure you, everyone has a bad streak. I'm not betting against Jason. Don't worry about that, Jason. It'll be all right, buddy. I'm cheering for you.
Thank you.
It's all good. Hey, we appreciate everyone chiming in today. Thank you so much. I want to cover a few things. Today, the market got hit for us. The small caps got rotated out. I kind of thought crypto was done for short term. They corrected fast. I mean, you literally $60, 61 back down to 43.
It was crazy.
A 17-point move on Riot in a 2-day period. Appreciate everyone's support. I'll see you on the Ault Global conference call. As you know, I never talk about Ault Global on this show, but we will have a conference call because we just reported our annual earnings and our 10K. And we're excited about what's in that document, which you can see. I'll talk about that. If you go to that press release on DPW, you can check out the link and go on and listen in if you are a shareholder. I'm a shareholder. Never sold a single share, but got a long ways to go there. We have trying to build a holding company. And that's about the most I can say about it.
Correct.
What else do you want to cover? We're in Las Vegas, Nevada. We love it here. we share a spot with my man Brad Lee here.
Yeah, tomorrow, what are we going to do? We're going to sit on our hands because I want to see what happens with the market. There's going to be opportunities tomorrow. It is Friday. There will be some more sell-offs. We'll look for undervalued assets.
QuantumScape, don't forget about that. Oh, Taco Tuesday, Munchie Tuesday. I like that. Alejandro, is that how you say that? Alejandro Garcia. The opinion common. I like this. A lot of people in the chat today. Wow. A lot of people in the chat.
The third liked our show today. Hey, thanks, man.
Third,
I
we like you
appreciate it.
too, man. You know, come on, man. We
He's
like
acting
that.
about Activision. That's a large cap. Yeah, I'll
Hey,
look at
thanks
that.
to everybody today. It was a good day. I really had a good time. And to Jackie Robinson, right? We got
Yeah,
this right?
Jackie Robinson Day.
The GOAT.
The GOAT.
Number 42, we appreciate you. You guys take care. This is Risk On for Jason Bartholomew, Todd Ault, Skyla in the house, Nick, Brett, Josh, Willie up in Vancouver. We love you guys. See you tomorrow.